Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news from the G7 summit. Firstly, they issued a statement saying they're happy to let the market decide currency values, which was interpreted as Japan-friendly. Then they backtracked, saying markets misinterpreted their stance, and they really are concerned about excess moves in the Japanese yen. This saw quite big moves in the currencies overnight, the upshot for us being that the New Zealand dollar has risen to near its highest post-float level ever. The TWI now stands at 76.4, exceeding levels earlier in the month. We rose overnight against all currencies except the yen. Equity markets are in a buoyant mood ahead of the US President's State of the Union speech. In midday trade, the Dow has pushed up over the 14,000 level again and seems to be set to go higher. Oil was up earlier in the session, but gold has fallen below $1,650 an ounce. In Britain, Barclays has announced 3,700 job cuts following a loss and says it's embarking on a new overhaul. But at the same time, it's paid bonuses averaging 100,000 New Zealand dollars to its investment bankers. In Australia, there are building expectations that banks there may cut mortgage rates even if the RBA leaves their official rates on hold. The Aussie mortgage market is weakening quite quickly, exposing the home loan market to a zero-sum game. There's been a steep plunge in the first home buyer market. But wholesale money market costs have shifted there to the point where securitising residential mortgages could be back in favour, a move that would help ease the pain of a low-growth market and enable mortgage offer rates to fall. In our market, no other bank has responded yet to the aggressive Westpac mortgage pricing, but we will have that news as soon as it's announced. The Kiwi dollar starts today at 84.3 US cents, 81.7 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 76.4. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.